5-minute TradingView strategy with bands and moving average. This strategy opens trades based on the trend change signal indicated by the band indicator. During our tests, it proved to be particularly valid and reliable. The change in color of the indicator was found to correspond to a change in market direction. Further confirmation comes from a second indicator based on a moving average. The TradingView chart can be supported by any broker, where you can open a position upon arrival of the signal. Chart set equals sign up. TradingView band indicator shown in the video. 7-period simple moving average indicator. Candles 1 minute on TradingView and expires 5 minutes on the broker. To get started, let's open TradingView and install the indicators. Let's briefly remember how to use TradingView.
How TradingView works. Let's learn to use the platform. With TradingView, we have charts and indicators available for free. Let's choose our favorite currency pair. Trades do not open on TradingView, but on your favorite broker. Our recommended brokers are described below, more reliable. We prepare the chart that we use to receive trading signals. We access the TradingView homepage. You can use the link that you see in the description. We click on the menu at the top and choose the Graphics section. Let's change the background color and hide the right column. Above, we open the Indicators page and try to insert a moving average as an example. To change the parameters, click on the wheel at the top left. Another example. We insert 2 indicators that we will need for a new strategy. We also customize the parameters. We can also activate the alerts by clicking on the three dots of the indicator. Now that we know how to prepare the TradingView chart, we can use it with any strategy.
We install the two indicators provided by the strategy with the recommended parameters and customized colors and windows of your choice. Here are the adjustments. The first indicator is called the Ultimate Buy and Sell Indicator. The parameters remain the default ones. In the style, deactivate all windows except Buy, Sell. The buy-sell arrows do not indicate the opening of a position, but warn of a possible change in trend. Observe the color of the bands. When they change color, this is an entry warning. The bands must have the same color and the candles must be in the area indicated by the moving average corresponding to the trend, that is below the moving average if bearish, above the moving average if bullish. Call. The bands have the same green color and the candle is above the moving average. In the case of both red bands, put. To get a new signal in the opposite direction, wait for both bands to change color. I'll leave you with the video examples. Remember to click like and subscribe for updates and other strategies. Complete free PDF guide in description.